Here we have a 69 plate BMW M2 competition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind it as well. We have the long bleach blue metallic paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, the black grills with the carbon fibre surround. If we take a closer look, you can just about see the M2 badging as well. We also have the full genuine carbon fibre performance kit, which includes the side skirt extensions along the bottom. We have the second alloy wheel here, again in excellent condition. Carbon fibre trim, again once more just there. Colour coded door mirrors and door handles. We also have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We have the third alloy wheel, again excellent condition. The carbon fibre rear spoiler just here, if the camera can pick it up. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the carbon fibre rear diffuser, the quad tip exhaust as well. If we take a quick look at the boot, just open it up like so, you find we have a decent amount of space back here. We also have the storage net as well on the right hand side. Closing that back up and then walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So here's a look at the last alloy wheel, and then taking a look at the interior. So inside of the back first, you find we have the two seats, the fixed ISO points, we have the blue stitching and the full leather. We also have the M Sport style seat belts as well, just here as you can see, with the M colours, the M2 logo as well on the front seats. Both of these front seats are heated, and there's a look at them. The premium Harman Kardon sound system with the electric mirrors and electric windows, the Alcantara trim just here on the doors, along with the carbon fibre again just there. We have the auto lights and also the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. If we take a seat inside, we have the cruise control and also the speed limiter just there, the two M modes as well. We also have the dashboard, so if we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find it will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard, the only one being about the fuel, so nothing to worry about. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav just there. We have all the shortcuts down here, so if we click onto the media, you find a range of media such as the DAB radio. We also have the Bluetooth audio, the CD player, music collection and much more as well. We have the phone connectivity just there. If we go to the main menu, go into My Vehicle, Technology in Action. This is where you find the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. We also have the M drive modes as well, where you can adjust each individual thing, the engine, the steering, transmission, and it sets to these two buttons on the steering wheel. We also have the parking sensors, so if you put the car into reverse, find front and rear parking sensors just there. We also have the climate control down here, the heated seats on either side, and the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do. We also have the cup holders inside of here, 12-volt connectivity. We have these buttons down here, so if you click onto there, you find it changes the engine to a more sporty or efficient mode. Same with the steering, you can have a sporty or a more comfort feel. We have the parking sensors, the traction control. We also have the gear stick just there. Again, the shortcuts, the carbon fibre trim, the leather armrest, the manual handbrake. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW M2 competition. Now the purpose of this video test drive, of course, is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now, as you can see, I'm not activating the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, so it's straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now, we do have a multi-function steering wheel with two different M modes, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. Now, to activate the cruise control, simply just press the dial, press the button, and then use the dial to push up or down and get us to the nearest miles an hour. Push up until you feel a bit of a click, and it'll just to the nearest 5, or push up very slightly, it'll just to the nearest 1 miles an hour. Now the two different M modes, now you can put these to your different settings on the iDrive system. So on M1, you can have it say your efficiency driving, so you've got your higher MPG, or you can put it onto M2, and you can have it so your more aggressive driving, or your Sports Plus or Sport. Now you do also have a paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. So currently I'm in 5th, I'm going to drop it down to 4th, 3rd, 2nd, up to 3rd, up to 4th, up to 5th, and then we'll let the car take back over by simply pushing the gear stick to the right and it goes back into D. Now we do have a digital dash in front of me, so you can have the road sign analysis, so it tells you what speed limit the road is on, the road that you're on is, and it also gives you a digital display of what speed you're doing. We have the integrated Harman speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. All around the interior of this vehicle, you do have the tri-carbon fibre and the suede trim, and it is a very nice addition to have. Now the screen in the centre is touchscreen, and you can also find your Bluetooth video, Bluetooth audio connectivity. We also have DAB radio as well as FM and AM. We also have the satellite navigation screen. And once you pop it into reverse, you do have a virtual display of your front and rear parking sensors. Now the 2 front seats are also heated as well. All the seats in the interior are leather with suede accents. The 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, it really does make all the difference. Now the interior of this car is very comfortable, and you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. So right now, I'll come up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, and just straight the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard on seat brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the virtual display of your front and rear parking sensors just on the screen there as well. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now, if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and what on video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this Water on Video and Video Test Drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.